Welcome to my new face tutorial. You want to start with fresh, clean skin before applying the gel primer to the areas you want to treat. After applying the gel primer, you simply turn the device on. There are 3 settings: low, medium, and high. I will be using the high setting. Simply glide the device across the treatment areas, slightly tightening the skin. Once you hear the beep, you will move to the next area slightly above the area you just treated. You will repeat this 3 times in these same 3 areas. Make sure you are slightly tightening the skin as you glide the device across your face. Next, I'll be treating my forehead using the same process previously used. Simply guiding the device in an upward motion, slightly tightening the skin. You repeat the same process in those same areas 3 times. After treating one side of your face, you would simply move on to the other side of the face, repeating those same motions in the same treatment areas. You'll notice that your skin is slightly firmer, tighter, and definitely smoother. You would repeat this treatment 3 to 5 times per week for best results.